What if I told you your child's future success might hinge on learning AI in school? Now, not later. More than 250 CEOs from some of the biggest names in tech, aviation, finance, and education are sounding the alarm. It's time to make computer science and artificial intelligence education mandatory in every US classroom. We're talking leaders from Microsoft, Adobe, IBM, Salesforce, Uber, and even American Airlines, united in one loud, clear message. If we don't teach AI, we're leaving an entire generation behind. Before we dive deeper into why this matters more than ever, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Should AI be mandatory in schools? We want to hear from you. Back to the story. These CEOs have signed a powerful open letter urging lawmakers to act. They believe that in an AI-powered world, every student, from kindergarten to high school, needs to be equipped to not just use AI, but to build with it. We must prepare our children to be AI creators, not just consumers, the letter states. And there's data to back them up. According to the Brookings Institution, just one high school computer science class can boost lifetime earnings by 8% and increase chances of employment by 3%. The biggest winners, young women and students from low-income backgrounds. Despite this, only 12 US states currently require any kind of computer science education. The CEOs argue that's not enough. Not if the US wants to stay competitive in the global AI race. Countries like China, Brazil, Singapore, and South Korea are already rolling out AI education nationwide. And just this week, the UAE announced its own national AI curriculum starting next academic year. There is momentum. All 50 US states have taken some steps toward computer science education in the past decade, and 100,000 teachers have started teaching it. There's even bipartisan political support. In April, President Donald Trump signed an executive order to boost AI literacy from early education, offering grants for teacher training and launching a national task force to monitor progress. But the business community wants more, and fast. They see AI literacy not just as a tech skill, but as a new foundation for economic mobility and national strength. We owe it to the next generation, the letter says, to provide an education that reflects the demands of our time. So what do you think? Should AI be part of every child's curriculum in America? And if you're curious how other countries are pulling ahead in AI education, make sure to check out the video in the corner right now.